Every day I wake up at 5 a.m, getting ready to work, preparing my son's stuff to send him to babysitter.
The reason I am here is because I love helping people, solving their problem.
So the first thing that I would do is open my email to check all the customers' complaint or anything regarding about it in the email.
I have to make sure that my client are happy and they are satisfied with the solution I give.
Weirdest conversation was there was a client who asked me if I'm available or not, and at the end of the conversation he gave me a lot of kisses emojis.
I get question my client through live chat, but the weirdest question I get is, are you married? The thing is, the client is a man.
To stay focused on my goal is very simple. You have to be committed and also responsible towards what you are doing.